People wanna hear it from me first. VYBZ Kartel just won the Grammy for Best Reggae Album.
You suck your mother. You remove your pussy hole and come down.
A few moments later.
And the Grammy goes to
VYBZ Kartel.
Marley, One Love.
You know I'm gonna like this.
People, when they don't know, say me the facts, you know, don't know when they talk trash. And we come for just to look at Grammy thing we are going. Why? Because the fans mental right now. Not a good look. You see me? Bob take the throne again. Bob Marley get the Grammy. No man. Right now, the Gaza fans is not happy about that. You understand? But BEENIE Man there. BEENIE Man forward. Come here.
Reggae music, Bob Marley. Yes, guys, it's the greatest of all time and his work cannot be done. Robert Nesta Marley probably gone, but Bob Marley is still alive. One king of reggae, one king of dancehall. Watch out.
So, Bob Marley get the Grammy again. You understand? For years, Bob Marley get the Grammy and every little thing. So, the Gaza fans not really like that little situation. They don't know them boss, you know. VYBZ Kartel, you know. Grammy, you know. You see me? Come here, tell you name. VYBZ Kartel, you win that Grammy there. Although I know him never ever win still, because if you realize, a lot of people don't know about the album that was nominated to the Grammy. You understand? And first of all, Grammy is not about just the person or whatsoever. You see me? It's about the quality of the music and the people that are placed on the board to review the music and look at the quality and every little thing. We all know that. You see me? And a lot of people don't know the album. You see me? And right now, BEENIE Man happy right now. You see me? Because I tell you, if Kartel you win the Grammy, I tell you, BEENIE Man would have to go just go park up. You see me? But right now, you don't know the Gaza Nation is knocking up Bob grave right now. I tell him get up now, Bob. You see me? At time for you Lego the thing right now, but what Bob Marley say, we not got tired to see him face. You understand? Yeah man. But me I realize say Shinsia feature on one of the song them, one of the track them, where they on the album too. You see me on the Bob Marley album. You see it? Yeah man. She have a little feature on it and thing. See it a post over the media and every little thing, you see me? But the thing is that I tell people already say, you know, the way you own always highlight VYBZ Kartel as this huge person and not knowing when you go out there in the world is a different thing. This is what I try to say. So this album thing, I know it never did go work. And Gaza fans don't come at me. We're not gonna talk about bad mind and whatsoever. I saw you go, we just talk facts. You see me? And remember, you know, a few years ago nobody never did watch Grammy or feature with Grammy or really tune into Grammy, you know, until when VYBZ Kartel get nominated. This is what I try to say. Everybody tune in to see if you might get Grammy or whatsoever, or this and that. But the thing is that, you know, VYBZ Kartel might lose the Grammy, but him still win the visa. We don't realize that. I wonder if you don't realize, say, the Grammy is a part of him getting him visa too. If you don't realize, say, him get the visa close to when the Grammy for start. You understand? If you don't look on the video, he might go tell you, look at this.
Nominated at the Grammys. How you feeling tonight, man?
I feel amazing. It's amazing to be here, you know what I mean?
And how special, you just introduced your fiance. I mean, how wonderful is it to be able to bring your love over to the red carpet as well?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's an amazing feeling, you know what I mean? I was just telling her a while ago, like even if I don't win, I still win. Yeah. Just being here, the energy, the vibe with my fiance, it's amazing.
What more could you ask for? It's amazing.
Exactly. I mean, what more could I ask for?
A Grammy.
Thank you.
There you go. Y'all are having the same thoughts.
Yeah, so great minds. Thank you. We love you guys too. We are with the legendary VYBZ Kartel and his beautiful wives. How are you? You look amazing. How do you guys feel right now?
We feel good. I mean,
20
thank
years.
you for having me, by the way.
Yes, this is your first time back in the U.S. in 20 years.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you taking that in?
I mean, I'm still processing. I literally just told my fiance over there a while ago that 6 months ago, I was in jail. Now I'm free. I'm nominated for Grammys.
For the
and
first
I'm in
time.
LA for the first time.
Yes.
God is real, man. Trust me. I love it.
Yes, you've been doing music for a minute, a hot minute, a very long time.
Very.
How does it feel to reclaim your throne in such a big way?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
It feels amazing. Like, I mean, it's doing music for me is second nature. So that part is easy. That's too easy. You know what I mean? But just the fact that I've gotten an opportunity to come back out, I've gotten an opportunity, a new lease on life, it feels good, and I'm going to deliver to the fans.
I
Trust
love
me.
that. Speaking of
Yeah,
newly,
just the video a while ago. Zane, yeah, at it, you can get the visa. The man say, yo, come out of prison after 13 years, and they are LA. Is a good look. You understand? It's a good look for him. You know how much artists out there right now want back a visa. Yeah, when we say him get a visitor visa thing is not a work visa, you know. That'll take a while for him get that. You know the thing set already. But when people talk, they must say a bad mind and they must say this. The album does not qualify to get a Grammy. The quality of the music is not, it's not. All of me dep on a Grammy board, wouldn't give it, that not qualify. Remember, you know, most of the songs I dep on Grammy kind of a commercial thing where you can play, where everybody can relate to. You understand? I remember with Bob thing, you know. Bob thing, you don't know, theme people dep on a Grammy board, and you see me? So, everybody know Bob. Everybody know Bob Marley thing, him son them and every little thing. You see me? So, them have more powers. You see it? If sort out what to do the Grammy or whatever. Dancehall thing is a different language, you see me? And I be a rare music and this and that. You see me? Yeah, so this is the thing. If Kartel you get the Grammy, it would be a good look. You see me? A dancehall same way or whatever, but we don't know. Oh, an album when nobody don't know. I will nominate for Grammy. You understand? And we don't see say why him nominate and you know, when see when reach him there LA, is him there about the place and whatsoever. But you know the guys are fans are cuss and them are cuss Bob and Bob Marley always get this and Ray and Tay, but we don't know say the album now not have the elements to win a Grammy. You understand? We see who always a win Grammy. You see me? We see all the time who always a win. And the quality of music. You see me? So Gaza fans, what we have to do, we have to just thank God say one artist get back in visa. You see me? So him can fly. That's all. Because that's the only thing Kartel care about right now. Kartel no business about no Grammy right now. You see me? Kartel no business about no Grammy right now. You see it? So a lot of people are talking at the media and I say one bag of thing. You see me? So these are the thing. Right now, Kartel thing right now, we have a couple show forward, you know. You see me? Because remember this, you know. This is just a start, you know. You see me? So Gaza fans will just go on easy. Remember, so no artists have much show forward up, you know. You understand? Hope him can manage. That's one of your focus on right now. You see me? Because if him not get a good performance, he not go look good. You understand? Because remember, you know, don't premium up some of the greatest and every little thing. And yeah, he's a good artist, but we don't go on with this overrated thing or whatsoever. You see me? We know the thing already, because remember, him not tour the world yet. You understand? Him don't tour the world yet or show. Dominate dancehall the real way. You know, remember that. Because all about now talk, we still keep on a mix up dancehall with what go on the social media. You see me? So, when him event them forward up what him for do, we just hope say him manage. And that enough you worry about right now. You see me? Yeah, it's a good look. Same there, Grammy still same speed. You don't know him have him fiancé see them beside him. I represent same way. You see me? Me some look Gaza vlog a thing I talk about. Kartel are the best to represent dancehall and the way him speak and every little thing. You know them thing, you know them prep up them thing they alone, like say a Kartel alone have brains and all of this, all of that. The overrated thing. You see me? But the way how when I push up Kartel to make him feel like say, yo, wait. Come see Kartel at the Grammy and him a walk and him a walk. And I just Kai Sinat alone give him a big up and Ray. And I don't know Kai Sinat with Jamaican connection already. You see me? But I don't know the thing already. You see it? But this Grammy thing, I know say Gaza fans them, it happy and say, yo, I want to world boss, I get it. I want to know. I boss I get the Grammy and whatsoever. But I don't say it work. Grammy no work like that. Grammy no business boy if you're hot or you're big or you're this or that. Music. You see me? And who up on the board. People who choose the right music for put out there. You see me? Yeah. And that I forget the highlight. You don't know about thing big, our legend, all them pass and gone. But this are the thing. See? Remember them always bring up say, yo, Kartel. You see me? Kartel out, Kartel in prison. And him do it from prison and Ray and this and that and the way them prep up things. You see it? Like say, bro, a Kartel alone got prison and I release song for 13 years. There's nobody else do it. And every artist go prison. You understand? But say to say that. Remember say Bob pass away how long? Zine? Don't Bob still a do it same way? Bob thing still a win Grammy? You understand? So now always Michael Jackson still a do it, all them pass and gone. So that be like same like if when VYBZ Kartel lock up are the same thing. You understand? So I know nothing usual is what me I try to say. Not a usual thing. Them still a use back them song there. You see me? Cartel drop thousands of songs. Right now from Cartel come back from prison. Him not drop them song the way me usually drop back then. It's because people not tune into music no more. Because the bag of video and the controversy is overcrowded now. It steer the people from him music. The quality not dead again. Him voice gone, every little thing. You understand? I just him look shows them a come up now. Cause I'm telling already, you know. Yo, him better do good in I show them, you know. Cause all of this kingship fighting and every little thing. Where the back and forth for. BEENIE don't do that. The worst thing, BEENIE Man shouldn't even come out. And I talk about this king thing. Him know say him are the king already. You understand? Him crown king. When Cartel fought with the king thing, you shouldn't even make that. You see me? You should have just gone easy. You see it? But through the Gaza fans are prep up and every little thing. Can me tell you, Gaza fans, them not humble, you know. You see me? Them not humble at all. You see them the easy more while, certain things would look away. You see it? Yeah. Because the way they go on over the little Grammy thing, is I rather want to get, you see me, and then you know no feelings now. It's like, you want to dig up Bob time grave and beat him. I don't know why. You see me? When I want to beat Bob for him great and him legend thing, when him carry reggae to the world and every little thing. You see me? Remember the Cartel just a pick up back from where him left off, you know. Cartel not dominate yet. None at all. Me talk about physical. Go out there go dominate. Him not do that yet. You see me? I that him need to focus on right now. Cause I eat the people them I look out for see. You see me? I eat really the people them I look out for see. You see it? Cause right now, me know say BEENIE Man I say, boy, please, no make him get it. No make him get it. You see me? Cause you can't tell you get the Grammy, I just hit that for BEENIE. I tell them, them done beat him already. You see me? But him wrong, him shouldn't have come out about the media thing and Ray and about king. And you see what I'm trying to say? If you know you're a king, brother, just stay at the king. You see me? Right now, you should not pick up no war or whatever. You should have, whosoever want the king with you, come in as a Cartel too even. Back and forth like how you come out with media and she say, I don't know how come you make your lady all get involved and them thing, your woman get involved and them little thing there, you see me? That even look good. But if you are the king, brother, you sit down on your throne, but who want to come fight you, just come fight you. You not supposed to get up out for your throne. Out of your throne, brother, a fight man, and you don't have a king already, brother. You see me? Cause we don't know say Cartel maybe be the Gaza king. You see me? Yeah, man, the Gaza king, cause Gaza nation is a big organization, but not the king of dancehall thing who know represent out there and go out there go represent. You see me? Cartel no reach a level there yet. You see me? Him song them, yeah, him have big song and them little thing there, but if it dominate dancehall the real way where we know about, you not ready yet. And remember Gaza fans, and a bad mind. It's a fact. You see me? Cause I know you know the feelings already, you know. I go see and I comment and I go type about this and this a vlogger boy and bray and this. Yeah man, go on type man. You see me? Cause remember this, you know. This is just a start, you know. We not see nothing yet. And remember say make sure you get on the napkin. Cause I'm not start ball it, you know. You see me? So just go on easy and just go and listen. You see me? The Cartel for the now, I start out in health and things, so I'm ready for them shows yeah, and can perform. Cause you know, I have no cheer or nothing for sit down right now. You see me? And that him fair work on. Cause we saw him perform a film show already. You see me? Now I go work on him when I go forward pan. You see it? So, yeah man. Bob Marley win the Grammy and things, so let's see where we go from here, so. You see it? Cartel have go start out and forward back. But him get him visa and thing. You see it? Him get him visa. You see me? So, see Shensia do her thing. You see me? She have a nice little album and thing, you see me? But when I like Shensia look nice, man. Yeah, man. She have a good look. You see it? Yeah, man. But she represent for dancehall same way. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, Gaza fans, you don't know. When you just go and focus on artists to perform and show them where I forward up, you see me? But the Grammy thing, no. We not pre that right now. You see me? We not pre that. As no boss say, him give thanks. Same can dare the Grammy. You see me? Because remember, you know, I presume he did a couple months well. You see me? I sit down and I say, yo, Jano, road and you see me meet him family right now. You see me? I remember say most artists them are told in place already, you know. Them been there, done that, you know. You see me? Cartel are forward back for do it the real way now. You see me? Yeah man, him a forward for do it real way, man. You see me? So all I have to do, I go on easy. You see it? But only just low Bob, man. Bob good. But I go dig him out and grieve and I beat him and I beat Grammy. Cause the album there, you know, qualify. If I did the King of Dancehall album, I could have said, alright, make it go on. You see me? Cause that album they can go on. But that one, yeah, you not go work with the Grammy. You see me? It's a true night trash. You see it? But for sure, you, if you don't watch a Grammy, Zane, if you look at the woman, she name out all of the other people who forget Grammy or who was they on the Grammy and thing. I want to realize when reggae album Grammy for announced, the woman not even hitch. The woman just say Bob Marley fast. The other is the announcement them tell and take a while for show you. Bob Marley fast, Bob Marley was easy. Bob Marley she not even wait. You see me? But it just show you. I just say God, that's the quality of the music and every little thing. But The worst thing, nobody never know Cartel album. Right now, if you ask 3/4 of the people them, if they know the song of the album, nobody know. The only thing them focus on was the nomination of VYBZ Kartel get. You see me? That's all them focus on. You see me? But a couple days ago, BEENIE MAN found out, say, vlog them upon him name and him. I know, one time I think say BEENIE MAN did like a ball. Jano. You see me? But he make him look at announcement and say, yo, big up the nominees and everything, and Bob Marley the legend and him the king and Ray and thing. You see me? And then him bust a laugh. But I saw you think said him supposed to glad say Kartel no win it, because Kartel he win the Grammy the to rot it. Me I tell you. What internet blow up. BEENIE MAN have to go back. Where I come from, but I say go, I know say he never did that go there, so you see me. I know Grammy things they already system and certain little things go on Grammy and thing, you see me. But you don't know. You big up the nominees them same way, you see me. But it never go the right way, you see me. But she have a good album too, and you know, at least you know she reach a Grammy CNSP too, you see me. She get her highlight. Everybody get them highlight and every little thing, you see it. But I one of them thing there, you see me. Yeah, but sometimes the Gaza fans feel just easy and you know watch and see what go on and stop prep up. Cause I see all video come out where people say VYBZ Kartel win the album. Jano. And for go yes Bob win it. Jano, you know look good. You know look good at all. You know look good at all, man. You see me? But Gaza fans, there's more out there to achieve by your artist, you see me? It not done yet so. You see me? It not done yet so at all. So when you stay focused but enough humble. You see me? Cause if you not humble, certain little things you wouldn't get no radam pan, you see me? Certain little things. Yeah, man. Every day you come up, full mouth of the loudest mouth. You see me? We think we talk about Kartel now, people bad mind or whatsoever. Remember the Kartel in the media, you know. He might get the reports of people ever talk about him. You see me? And that enough you understand. You see it? Yeah, man. But when you don't know a phone thing, you know, you don't know a media facts, you know. Yeah. And I think I want to adjust to. You see, some of the time, when you feel like, say, the thing stop out at airport, or the world out at airport or whatever, and so everything work. You see me? Cause if everywhere when I feel like say certain thing I reach or whatsoever. You see me? Especially the thing with Kartel. When I make him feel like say I'm big and this and that. Yeah, people know him and thing and know a couple of him song. But certain little thing you know reach this or yet. You see me? And I fax that. You see it? You know reach this so. So you might feel like that. Cause remember you know when you dominate though in the world, you know, people might know your music but they don't know your look. You see me? And sometimes as an artist, when you perform, you have to perform the song them to make it look like say you perform it. You see me? Kind of want to go out there perform and people might say, yo, what, him really sing that song? Oh, him sound so. You see me? That's how the thing said. And you know, you have to just accept that. You see me? Cause we have a lot of artists in Jamaica right now, where how do the thing? Shaggy do it. You see me? What name? Sean Paul do it same way. You see me? Shabba ranks them. Bounty Beanie. You see me? Popcorn. Boy, I don't know wrong with Popcorn. We'll leave that for your next thing still. You see me? But now for those easy Gaza fans and just know the thing said, you see me? Grammy kind of disappointing, but I saw you go. Him lose the Grammy, but I know him nice with the visa right now. You see me? Cause remember, you know, it's a big win same way. Cause remember say enough artists not have visa right now with enough artists dream of getting a visa right now. That me I tell you. So when Kartel get that and him just come out of prison after 6 months, yeah man must nice. That me I tell you. Yeah man, it must nice. But the Grammy thing now go work with Fiend. That the album there. It now go work. That will drop in a trash man. You see nobody not see that. You see me? I'm not a bad mind thing, but that's a fact. We don't even know how much it sell. We don't know how much the album sell. We don't hear nobody talk about the album. You see me? We just see album get nominated, which you know the system stay and wood up on the board just pull it up. But you don't know how it a part I think where you getting papers and things for fly out and you don't know because Grammy can pull big strings too, you see me? Yeah, you can pull big strings too. But people who don't know in our media facts, you know, just like, share and subscribe. You see me? Click the notification bell and then you click all. You see me? And just tune in the thing. And come out on the feelings too. You see me? Yeah man, you can just listen. Sometimes if you listen and learn, you know. You see me? Listen and learn, man. You see me? And everything you know go like. You see it? But you can't take sense out of nonsense same way. You see me? But big up on yourself when you don't know. A media facts. And I eat that. That me say.